Thank you for joining my art desk, sponsored by the Palo Alto Art Center Foundation. To make a scribble beast, draw some scribbles and then add cartoon features, arms, legs, fins, wings, spikes, tails, whatever. There's a moment when you're drawing a scribble beast when you get to look at your scribble and think about, what does this thing look like? Is it a frog? Does it look a little bit like a rabbit? Is it a monster nobody's ever seen before? Use your imagination. Go ahead and add a little bit of color. Whatever you want. Make it fun. Here's a few I just made, and then I'm going to sit down and show you how to make them yourselves. So here's a spike-tailed block beast. I called this one the blue-crowned snorfelblatt. You see he lives on a planet with 3 moons. This is the monster-bellied hummingbird. And here I made a blue mottled bee. So I pulled together a few very simple materials. I have a pencil. You can use felt tip markers. I don't have very many of those. I could only find a yellow one. You can use colored pencils or colored Sharpies, or you can also just use, you can do this whole exercise with a black pen and a pencil, or you could just do it with a pencil. And I'm going to do it with just a pencil and a black Sharpie or a black pen so that if that's all you have, you know how to do it. So, first step, you can close your eyes if you want. You just make a scribble. Maybe it's a jaggedy scribble. Maybe it's a smooth scribble. Then you're done. Your next, usually I change modes at this point and choose another tool. It can be a black pen of any kind. It could be something like this. It could be a ballpoint marker or a ballpoint pen, whatever you got. And I choose a place where I think it should have some eyes. Now I've kind of done them all the same so far, so I'm going to choose a different way to do it. I'm going to put the eyes, and make them looking right at you. Maybe a little bit to the side. Already he sort of looks like a hedgehog or an armadillo or something. But I think he should be more ferocious, and so I'm going to make these things into real spikes going back on his head. And I think all right, there you go. What are we going to call him? Prickly furred spiker? How about a prickly spikester? And I'm guessing he lives in an icy and cold, windswept landscape in the far north, where it's always night. If you want to go another step, if you want to do something else, you can add some color, or lots of color. I like this part. I'm going to do a very spiky scribble this time because my little monsters are turning out a little too cute. That seems good. Then I'm going to change colors. Maybe do my drawing in some dark color. Oh, I think maybe this one might be a robot. A cat-eyed robot. What do you think? eared robot. That he might be a little bit lost. That's his map. He's feeling grumpy about that. What do you think? That's kind of a weird one. Lost. Space. Cat robot. Thank you for joining my art desk. These videos are sponsored by the Palo Alto Art Center Foundation.